Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Coinx, and in today's video we'll be checking out the newly released compressor plugin by ViatorDSP, and it is called Duplex Comp. ViatorDSP just gave out the Lite version of this amazing plugin, and in today's video we'll be checking it out. Duplex Comp is a serial compressor. What I mean is it is a dual compressor, two compressors in one, back to back, where compressor A connects to compressor B and connects to a limiter. So it's three plugins embedded in one amazing masterpiece. And just to add, the compressors are referred to as units, while the limiter is named rent control. The full version has factory presets, manual where you can just read more about the plugin, and oversampling button. And if you check on the screen right now, the Lite version doesn't have that. But apart from it, there is no much difference. Now, the Lite version, they gave it out for free, but the full version, I think is like $10. So with that being said, let's get into it. Now, about the features, it is just a normal standard compressor controls. Over here, you can see they have attack, release, knee, input, makeup, high pass, threshold, ratio, and mix. And they have another interesting feature where you can choose between two compressor models, which is the VCA, has a different kind of color to your material, and the Opto, and it's existing in the both compressors in this masterpiece. And over to the limiter section, you can see the threshold, the release, and the activation button. Then over here you see a dB meter, then a dB knob. So that's much you can see on the Lite version. And another thing is when you hover your mouse over anything, below you see it will display what that thing you're pointing the mouse on is. So guys, let's get into the demonstration and hear the sound quality of this masterpiece. I'll be using a drum loop for this demonstration. So let's check it out.